Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the precise voice memo you want as a ringtone. Trim the clip inside voice memos so the final tone fits the 30-second limit. This saves time later. Once done, tap the three-dot menu, choose Share, and export the file to Files or send it to your Mac via mail or AirDrop. Doing this preserves quality and gives you an editable audio file, ready for conversion into the iPhone ringtone format. Next, import that exported audio into GarageBand or into iTunes/Finder on a Mac. You need to set the clip to 30 seconds or less. iPhone only accepts short ringtones. In GarageBand, create a new project, drag the file in, trim and adjust fade, then share as ringtone. On Mac, convert to AAC, change the extension to M4R, and add it to tones. These steps ensure proper format and metadata. Finally, get the M4R onto your iPhone and assign it. If you used Finder or iTunes, sync the tones section. If you used GarageBand on device, choose Use Sound As and pick Ringtone. Then open Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone and select your new tone. If it doesn't show up, make sure the file is exactly 30 seconds or shorter, restart the phone, and resync or re-export. These fixes resolve the most common installation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.